My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new unwanted browser extension, which actually operates as a browser hijacker. This extension is called Space Backgrounds Pictures. The developers of the extension indicate that this extension shows space picture in background of every new tab. Maybe some people like that, I'm not sure, but the trouble with this extension is that it also hijacks your browser and its default search engine settings. If this extension was installed, you will soon start experiencing a lot of such troubles related to the redirection of your search queries through random websites. Very soon I'll demonstrate to you what exactly happens. So this extension also works as a new tab replacer. You submit some search queries and then you get the results by some unfamiliar, unwanted search engines not chosen by you initially. So if this is what is happening, you need to get rid of this extension by accessing the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then remove these extensions if you find them on the list. To be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend you to research it with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and then start investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.